Hey there! Hi. Welcome. So here I am in YouTube Studio, and I got a few things to show you. Alright, let's see if I can pull it up. Let's see, advanced settings. Yeah, okay, here it is. Third-party training. Allow third-party companies to train AI models using my channel content. I'd rather not, because, they're gonna screw it up anyway, and I'm not really the YouTuber that has that certain need for, putting all that. Also, I wouldn't want them to steal my stuff, so I would not give that permission, so no disable. I'll just disable it. And here's what really strikes. Let's see. Inspiration. Yeah, this was the one I posted about. Now, there's some few things that have... Yeah. Basically, this is the Brainstorm Video Ideas tab, and what they came up with right now when I just opened up come from older videos that I made. They're just ideas, so they didn't take my videos. And they just, made the most absurd video ideas. And the following images are AI generated. These are not created by human beings. Because you can take a look at that. It kind of looks AI generated. There's this certain thing about AI generated images that don't really meet up to what I normally well, you get it. Cuz I'm not really talking with a script, so oh shoot, no. Basically, I've created these videos a while back. Let me just go through it. What was the inspiration tab? Street Interview Havoc, Wii Sports Experiments, a one-off video, and Blue OS Museum browsing the web. Yeah. These are the two videos I made. One of them is actually a joke, which is like what usually everyone says about Windows XP security. Because, Windows XP ended support 14 years ago, and in my experience, these are not one of my issues. And there's Wii Sports Experiments. This is my golf video, and it was supposed to be a cheating video with a glitch that was not noticed until this day and age. And here is Very Dumb. It's actually an episode of Very Dumb, so they thought I was actually making these out of one-off videos, just like our street interviewers, whatever. I made this as a skit to, make fun of those Generation Z Alpha is stupid because they can't answer the most basic questions. And it involves a person, and they basically manipulated the video so they sound stupid. That actually happened. There was one guy who was on TikTok, and he pointed out how stupid because he didn't answer that question. Here's the waffle secret strike. It was basically that meme. That waffle falling meme, but I recreated the secret strike from Wii Sports. And my Bop It video from last year. Where is it? Yeah, these are some of my old videos. Right there, I was testing out my Bop It because I should probably remove that because, it's no longer there. I was testing out my Bop It because I put new batteries in and suddenly it stopped working. don't worry, I just have to put in new batteries, and none of these are ideas that I wanted to expand and pretend that there's something more. And sometimes, like, you know how, like, the Street Interview Havoc video was a very dumb episode? This couldn't... This is just, you know, one of those stupid things that are trying to treat these episodes as individual videos. Like, I've literally copy-pasted each episode of Very Dumb. If you've seen the descriptions of Very Dumb, you note it, and Wii Sports Experiments, you can tell that I've copied and pasted the kind of format, like, title, this video is the number of episode of Very Dumb, a series about 5 skits about anything random. Notice that, and watch until I go to the Street Interview video, which is just an earlier episode. Manipulated Street Interview Havoc. This is the 3rd episode of Very Dumb, a series of 5 skits about anything random. This also applies to Wii Sports Experiments, which was... I also copied and pasted the same description, but instead I changed the episode description. You can tell it has the same intro to the description. And the description doesn't really match up, and no, I did not have any plans to continue these web series forwards. I only intended them to have 5 episodes. I am not continuing. And also, they think I'm trying to... Let's go to this one, and... This is all AI generated, so... Basically, it thinks I'm, like, trying to, you know... It's trying to take the ideas that I previously had and wants me to transform them into other videos. Which I just... No. That's not what I wanted to do. I don't make these videos so I could, you know, milk the crud out of them. I only made them as a little bit of one-off, but I don't usually treat them as one-off. Ah, shoot. Well, if you get the point that I'm trying to say is that, you know, this feature is not really my favorite. Oh, it just generated a picture. That's not a real microphone. Alright, so let's just try generating an idea. Alright. What's a good one? Yeah. Let's see. What the hell? Okay. It thinks I want to make like a YTP of my previous videos, which I could if I wanted to, but this is just stupid. I want to, like... I'm trying to make my own video series. No, wait a minute. I reiterated that wrong. I'm trying to make... I wanted to make like a YTP that doesn't involve any of my sources. Well, I do want to do that with one of my sources. It's just none of these. Let's see. My Dell computer in action. Let's see. No, I don't like that. No, I am not a AAA gamer. No, I do not upgrade unless I have to necessarily. Let me add something. Classic Dell computer in action. Let's try this. Oh, this is 9 minutes already. No, it's 10. No, I do not do gaming. on a retro laptop. I said in action, not... Oh. Oh, okay. I thought that was automatically... They're comparing a computer to an electronic toy. That's funny. Okay, these computers kind of suck. Dell endurance test, can it survive the Wii Sports Challenge? That is just so stupid. My classic Dell computer, which I have in my room, runs Windows XP, and I don't think it can run Dolphin. And you know, the Wii is something that is not made to be put on a computer unless you emulate it, but mostly it should have been on the original console, like how it was supposed to be meant to be played. That was horrible. I'm not really thinking. Okay, let's say a parody of Windows. A parody. Oh yeah, Windows 10, yeah. Remember the update 1809 incident? Yeah. Let's see. Well, yeah, it was really a good operating system. But I don't want to go on a 10-minute video just describing this, but you know, this video is already 12 minutes long. Yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to use these tools at all, because, you know, whenever I try to brainstorm an idea, it gives me the complete opposite of what I intended, and even if I, like, you know, if it tries to give me ideas without a prompt, it just comes up with a lot of stupid ideas. How to run Windows XP in 2024 without dying? Oh, hey guys, if you're gonna run Windows XP in 2024, you're gonna be forever in your deathbed. A modern disaster, Windows 11. Windows 10 sucks too, but the most secure operating system, not really. So, yeah. I'd sure love to... Okay, this is actually... I'd like to save this idea, but I'm gonna exaggerate it because how to run Windows XP in 2024 without dying. So, yeah. Good job, artificial intelligence. You completely helped me. Alright, thank you, guys. I'm going. Goodbye.